What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh my God, why do you look like that?
I don't know.
What's up, Bobo? What up, man? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning back in. On this video, we've done a little bit of work to the green car, blue car, whatever you want to call it. We just did a few suspension parts on it that I had actually put up from the red car, and it was like rear control arms, panhard bar, and rear sway bar. That was just stuff I had left over after changing over to anti-roll bar on the red car and putting adjustable panhard bar and adjustable rear control arms on the red car. So I didn't want to throw it away or sell it because I always knew I'd have another third gen. So I put that stuff up, and then obviously I wanted to use it on this. So I just kind of went through. The video quality is probably not the best, but I'm going to try to walk you through how we put all that stuff together and got all the parts on the car for anybody out there that's wanting to do some rear suspension stuff on their third gen or fourth gen, because they're pretty much the same. The rear end in this car is actually out of a 95 Trans Am, so everything pretty well fits right up the same way it would with a third gen car from a fourth gen car. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through it. I went through a lot of rust and bolts rusted up and stuff on it. I didn't film it, but I went ahead and changed the rear end fluid in it. It was kind of low on fluid and it was kind of nasty. I mean, it's not really much of a huge upgrade, but if you look at the rear end parts that come on these cars, it seems really thin and flexible, not very stiff. So, I mean, the parts that I had for it put up, there really wasn't name brand stuff. It was kind of cheap stuff. I mean, I'm not against somebody buying cheap stuff. I think it's still going to be better than using the factory sends with the car. If you look at those parts, I don't know, they just don't look like they would be very durable. If you guys have any questions or whatever, be sure to holler at me on my Instagram and let me know. Let's get started on that. All right, y'all. I know it's been a minute. This is gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if you have any questions or whatever, just hit me up on my Instagram or comment on the video. I've had a few of you guys do that. I'll try to get with you as soon as I can whenever I get the notification. But yeah, I'm still here. I know it's been a minute. Just kind of slacked off a little bit, trying to save up some money and pay some debt off at the time being. Still got the red car. Really been trying to get on the dyno literally for the last probably 2 months, maybe, if that, maybe a little longer. I didn't film it, but I do have the nitrous kit put on it. And the only reason I didn't film it is because just mentally I wasn't ready for all that stuff yet. And I was really trying to focus on doing it and doing it right. I'll still show it to you guys later on in the future of everything I did. It's not really built to be an NA car. I want to spray it. So we're just trying to take step by step. I know we're already halfway through the year. Racing season's been going on upon us. Honestly, here in Kentucky, Western Kentucky, it's been raining like every weekend, it seems like. So it wouldn't even be, I'm not even mad because every weekend that we want to go race, we can't even go race because it's been raining. So I'm not really missing out on anything as far as the local events. Yeah, I could travel out of town, but the car's not ready. I don't want to travel out of town right now. I want to do some local stuff first, just so I can get used to the car and the setup and learn everything. And then maybe next year we can focus on traveling. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. It goes a long way. Tune in on my Instagram, my Facebook. I don't really get on my Facebook page much, but I will tune in on that too every now and then. But the best way to get a hold of me is you can get on my TikTok. You can get on my Instagram, and you can obviously comment on my videos on YouTube. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. We'll see you next time.